Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Hey, we got some chicken breasts. Let's go ahead and make a grilled chicken Caesar salad. First thing we gotta do is get this Caesar dressing together. And these are the ingredients that we're gonna be using. We got some Parmesan cheese, some Dijon mustard, some olive oil, some garlic, an egg yolk, some lemon juice, sea salt, black pepper, and some anchovies. I'm gonna take all these ingredients, we're gonna put them in a glass jar, and we're gonna use our immersion blender to give it a mix. As you can see, I put all those ingredients into this glass jar. I put some salt and pepper, about a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, about a third cup of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, about 3 anchovies, 2 garlic cloves, and about a teaspoon and maybe a little bit more of Dijon mustard. We're gonna use our immersion blender to mix this up. If you don't have an immersion blender, no worries. If you have a whisk, you can do it by hand. It takes a little bit longer, but it'll still get the job done. You know what I'm saying? I gave that garlic and those anchovies a rough chop. After it's all mixed up, looking sexy like it is right now, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it get nice and cold. And then we can start working on this chicken. All right, I got my chicken breast out, washed up, and patted dry. We're gonna take this chicken breast and we're gonna slice it in half, like that, right? And then we're gonna put oil on both sides. We're gonna add some salt, pepper, onion powder, and some garlic powder. And then we're gonna send it over to the grill. You know, those chicken breasts don't take very long on the grill. After they're done, you're gonna pull them off and let them hang out. In the meantime, I took some white bread and I cut it down into some cubes. We're gonna make some croutons. Get what I'm saying? Got my oven at 400 degrees. Yeah, buddy. And we're gonna take this bread and put it in this bowl and give it a mix. In this bowl, I got some oil and some Italian seasoning and 2 garlic cloves minced up. We're gonna take that bread, we're gonna mix it in this bowl. Then we're gonna take that mixture and put it on this sheet pan and drop it in the oven. We're gonna drop this in the oven for about 5 minutes. After that, we're gonna pull it out, give it a little toss, and then we're gonna drop it back in the oven for about a minute or 2. While that bread's hanging out in the oven, we're gonna take this romaine, chop it up, and give it a nice wash. Got that romaine out, washed up, ready to go. I got those croutons out, looking beautiful. I lied about earlier. I dropped them in for 5 minutes, pulled them out, gave them a toss, and dropped them back in about 5-7 minutes. Well, I'll make sure they're nice and crunchy. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna take this romaine and give it a little toss with that Caesar dressing. And then we're gonna plate up. Got that grilled chicken Caesar salad. You already know. Let's give it a little try. Yeah, buddy. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. Stay tuned.